My name's Brendan Hall and I'm a water maintenance officer down here at Molonglo. We get a lot of build-up on the rake arms, and recently we actually had the rake arms bogged down under the weight of those rags and stuff and wet wipes and who knows what. We manually, and we've got a big truck here with a sucker hose, and basically we just break all that up and feed it straight into the hose. Please don't put them down the toilet, don't put them in the sewer system. I mean, it could even, backfire and block up your own system. They're just terrible things. Please put them in the bin. They're very strong. We've got a number of pumps and what they call macerators and disintegrators that they go through, but they still manage to stay in one piece. And that's probably the worst material. Yeah.